In Creo Parametric 9.0, you'll now be able to include additional references added to node annotations when exporting to STEP AP242. While you could have defined these additional references in prior releases, they were not included in the STEP export. In this example, you can easily define a node annotation, either as a standard annotation or within an annotation feature. Selecting the node annotation with leader line, you can choose one or many defined references by pressing the Control key and clicking the desired references. Placing the annotation through the middle mouse button, you can immediately see the node annotation displayed on the screen. As you created a leader node annotation, the leader lines point to the selected defined references. Converting the standard node annotation to an annotation feature, you can now include a variety of additional reference types depending on the given collector in the annotation feature dialog. For example, for the general reference collector, you can choose datum features, surfaces, edges, and curves. If you select the surface collector, you can choose surfaces, quilts, and bodies. And lastly, if you choose the chain collector, you can select curves and edges. You can easily distinguish the defined references from the additional references through the type symbol beside the defined references. Selecting a few additional references, you can close the annotation feature dialog and proceed to export the file to STEP AP242. To include annotations in the STEP export, you'll need to select the Annotation checkbox in the STEP Export Profile settings. Once exported, you can easily retrieve the STEP file in another application or back in Creo. Once open, you can easily interrogate the node annotation and view all the references, including the defined and additional references. This enhancement will provide improved support for node annotations when you want to capture proper semantic PMI in your design. It also maintains your design intent when you exchange the data containing node annotations with additional references between different applications.